Snapshot, your daily news in focus. Welcome to Snapshot. We are covering today's market developments, from rising volatility to corporate bond demand and regulatory concerns. Market volatility returns. The VIX index reached 28.99 on Friday, its highest level since April, as investors weighed multiple concerns including trade tensions, regional bank issues, and AI stock valuations. Despite the volatility, major indexes closed higher for the week, with the S&P 500 rising 1.8%. The 10-year Treasury yield settled at 4.006% near yearly lows. Gold futures rose 5.4% to $489, while Bitcoin declined approximately 8.7%. Corporate bond market activity. Corporate bond markets have seen significant demand, with credit spreads compressed to their tightest levels in decades. Investors are focused on absolute yields rather than traditional spread analysis. Goldman Sachs noted that the high-yield index is currently at its safest level from a risk perspective. Several financial leaders, including Citi's Jane Fraser, J.P. Morgan's Jamie Dimon, and Apollo's Mark Rowan, have recently commented on elevated risk-taking across markets. Gold reaches new high. Gold futures hit $4,371 per troy ounce Friday following comments from Fed Governor Christopher Waller, indicating support for rate cuts. The dollar fell to an 11-day low. Global equity markets declined, with European and Asian indices moving lower on credit sector concerns and trade uncertainty. Apple secures F1 broadcasting rights. Apple signed a 5-year agreement with Formula One for U.S. broadcasting rights beginning in 2026. Reports indicate the deal may be worth up to $150 million annually. This follows Apple's 10-year MLS deal worth at least $2.5 billion in 2022. "We'd like to own a sport end-to-end," said Eddie Q, Apple's SVP of Services. The deal replaces ESPN's current arrangement, which expires after the 2025 season. Banking sector concerns. Jefferies CEO Rich Handler stated the bank believes it was defrauded by First Brands Group following the company's bankruptcy. Jefferies shares have fallen more than 25% over the past month due to exposure through its Point Bonita fund. That's today's Snapshot. See you tomorrow with the news in focus.